Hi everyone, this is Ritesh from Dancing with Data. First in the world to be Tableau ambassador and Power BI super user. If my videos are making sense to you, hit the subscribe button, like it, share it. This is my website dancingwithdata.com where I talk about data analytics with Power BI, Tableau, so forth and so on. Today we are going to learn about the bookmarks. As a bonus at the end, as I'm doing in every video, get to know the equivalent with Tableau as well. What is the equivalent of reset button? And this is Power BI. Not only that, as usual, we'll solve together a couple of PL 300 questions that will help with your preparation. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. For this question, there'll be three correct answers, and this is the true and false. Watch till the end to answer these questions on your understanding only. So, first of all, what is the use case? So, you see this reset button, and this is one of the many uses of bookmark. So, for example, with respect to the analysis of this dashboard, you may try to select particular year, say 2010, and customer segment, say corporate, right? And maybe you analyze this in different forms. Now, quickly, I want to get to the default status, the original status where you have all, and all. Well, this reset button gives me quick access to get to the default position in one go. So basically, a bookmark captures the state of a report page. It includes the setting you have made to filter, slicer, and visuals on that page. After the report page is set the way you want, give it friendly name. So we will do it practically. Remember, in this case, we are not going to give particular filters because we are creating a reset button. So no need for that, but you can save particular status as well. For example, you can have a button which will have data set which represent corporate and home office only. So you can have one button over there saying that consumer and corporate. So you do have multiple uses, but in our case, since we are making the default button that will take you to all, and all. So we will not make any particular change in the filter itself. Let's do it from the scratch. So in order to so if I want to do it from the scratch, let me just remove it. And the first step would be to go to view and create the bookmark. So I will add a bookmark. So that means the present status of my report over there will be saved at this bookmark number 4. That is the default status, and I can rename this as reset to. So this will be the second reset button. So this is being bookmarked. This is status, right? So similarly, if you want to give a particular, like sometimes we don't have the state filter over there, but if you want India view, you can filter India, and after you can say India view over there. But since we are making a reset button, so we don't will not touch over there. Okay, now the second step would be to go to insert, okay, and insert the button. So maybe this is like a reset button. So I will take this one, put it there, and now we will go to format under action because we want to create that action, right? When I click this button, there should be some action. The what type of action should be there? Bookmark action. What bookmark did we create? Reset to. That's it. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll try to change the filter 2011 and maybe customer segment as small business. And if I just want to go to the original position and I click, and here you go. So if you have got an interesting insight for a particular segment, say corporate, and say for the state, say California, and if somehow you want to save this as a button, you can do that as well. Now, particularly customer segment as corporate and state as Colorado. Now you can also bookmark this very particular status. So we go to view again, click on book. We are there at the bookmark itself, and we say add, and we can, now this is bookmarked again. You can give it a good user-friendly name. So I can say this as corporate. uh, so suppose when you are selecting corporate, it's by default it's with the state Colorado. And after that I can tell you one more interesting option that you have. You go to insert and you go to button, there is something called navigator, bookmark navigator. And sometimes it looks really classic, to have such button at the top. So if you have multiple, bookmarks over there, so in this case maybe you can even remove this one, and this will act as a cool button over there, that will help you to navigate. Okay, maybe for a while I will remove this one and will make use of that one only. PL 300 question solution will be there at the description and comment section. Coming to Tableau, you can still create a reset button here itself, as you can see. But then there is more to do as far as Tableau is concerned. You have to create a separate sheet over there itself and then make use of action. If you want to know more about this, full video will be there at the description. You can have a look over there as well. So what are you waiting for? Just go and test this useful bookmark button option that you have and make your navigation much smoother. At the end, if my videos are making sense to you, this is the time to subscribe to my channel, and I see you soon again. Till then, keep on dancing with data, क्योंकि data ही दाता है, तुमको सब कुछ आता है.